What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? I go by the name of DJ Mo, Gimme Mo. New Orleans-based DJ. I do travel when necessary. But I'm making this video today because of the simple fact my QSC K12.2 speaker it sounding like it's about to go out, and I need some type of information or knowledge about what I can do with it. I don't want to get rid of it because it still works, it still come on, everything still work on it. It just sounds like the amp, if I'm saying the right word. If the amp is going out, I'm only getting sound from like the top part of the speaker, and it's like real scratchy. Like, I'm gonna play it a little while, play it for a second, and let y'all hear it to see what I'm dealing with. And I hope somebody could give me some information to where I could fix it or go get it fixed. I have it right here. Sound only coming out of here. Nothing coming out of here. So the sound is only coming from this part. It's not coming from here. What could I do to get this fixed? Somebody give me some information.